How to reach an upper intermediate level. That's what I'm going to talk about now. Well, except for English and Spanish, that I speak near natively, I've never reached an upper intermediate level yet. In Swedish, Finnish, and Galician, I believe I'm very near the intermediate level. A little bit low intermediate maybe, but I'm near in the intermediate level. But I'm not an upper intermediate level yet. So I developed this idea to reach an upper intermediate level in languages because in most of the languages that I want to learn, I want to reach an upper intermediate level. So the thing is, an intermediate level course, so B2, has something like 2000 words, right? A course like Teach Yourself, a course like Assimil, and colloquial. Some colloquials, I believe, they have less than 2,000 words, between 1,500 or 2,000 words. Because it's a complete course for beginners, and I believe it will leave you between level B1 and B2. Talking about the colloquial series. Anyway, if you use 2 or 3 courses, if you use, for instance, Teach Yourself, Assimil, and Colloquial, I believe you will definitely reach an upper intermediate level. Why? Because Teach Yourself provides you with a lot of good stuff, especially grammar, but I also like the grammar explanations that Colloquial give you. And then you have Assimil. With Assimil, you will learn a lot of colloquial words and expressions too, just like with colloquial. So I remember that I said before that in order for you to reach an upper intermediate level, which is my definition of fluency, you would need to know something like 3,000 words, between 3 and 4,000 words. Well, now I thought about that a little bit better, and I would say that you reach the very beginning of an upper intermediate level by the time you know something like 2,500 words. So when you know something like 2,500 words onwards, you will have reached an upper intermediate level. And that continues, it goes on and on and on until you know a little bit less than 4,000 words. Let's say, I remember I said before that the low advanced level begins when you know something like 4,000 words. Well, now I would say that the very beginning of the low advanced level begins when you know something like, let's say, 3,750 words. Minimum 3,500 words. Why do I say this? Because I changed a little bit my mind why. I'm gonna explain you guys why. The Assimil courses give you like 2,000 words, okay? They will be one. But then the other courses, using French, using Spanish, they are advanced courses. I believe it's like they are C1 courses, and those courses won't give you another extra 2,000 words. At its most, it will give you 1,500 words. So let's say that by the time you know that 3,500 words, between that and 3,750 words, you're at the very beginning of that level C1, low advanced level. And so you need something like between 2,500 words and 3,500 words to reach an upper intermediate level. And you will do that using 3 courses. If you use 3 courses, it's better than using just 2. So I would advise you guys to study with Teach Yourself, and then you go through the old dialogues in colloquial. You can take a look at some grammar examples, some expressions, those colloquialism stuff in there. which are very good. Then go through Assimil and pay attention to the same thing, same deal, same colloquial expressions. And besides using those three courses, which I will advise you guys to use a good phrasebook. So Lonely Planet phrasebook. So with Teach Yourself, you know that you have to study very well the dialogues and the grammar and the health of the grammar examples. With Assimil, you guys know that you have to study all the dialogues, read the notes carefully, and make the first exercise. The second exercise you can skip it, but make the first exercise, those words, those translation stuff, and colloquial. Go through the old dialogues. If there's some pronunciation stuff, just like colloquial Swedish has some pronunciation, how to pronounce words and combination of words, go through that too. And grammar, take a look at grammar just to see if you can find any grammar examples important. And if you do that, I believe you can reach an upper intermediate level. So this is what I want to say, and see you guys then.